In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel on Agoda without using a credit card. This can be especially useful if you prefer managing your finances without relying on credit or simply don't have a credit card available. So let's dive right into the process. First, begin by navigating to the Agoda official website. Agoda is a well-known platform praised for its extensive selection of hotels and accommodating booking policies, including the ability to cancel for free. Once you're at the homepage, you'll notice a sign-in option. Here, we're going to make use of the convenience provided by Google for a swift login. Click on the Sign In with Google button and follow the prompt to enter your Google account credentials. This allows faster access to your Agoda account without the need to remember yet another password. With your login complete, direct your attention back to the Agoda homepage. Here, you can start searching for hotels in your destination city. For this demonstration, click on the search bar and enter your preferred location, dates, and the number of guests. Once you've filled in these details, hit the search button to view a list of available accommodations that match your criteria. This is a great time to explore different options and ensure you're getting the best deal for your stay. Next, let's refine these results a bit. Look for a filter option on the page. Filters can cleverly narrow down your options based on various criteria such as price, star rating, or guest reviews, ensuring you find a hotel that suits your needs. A crucial filter for today's purpose is the payment options filter. This is where you can identify hotels that offer flexible payment methods and, most importantly, the opportunity to book without a credit card. Once the appropriate filters are applied, you should see a range of hotels that meet your specified needs and conditions, including the option to book without a credit card. Click on any hotel that catches your eye to learn more about its amenities, services, and policies. Make sure to check the room options and make a selection that fits your requirements perfectly. Finally, as you proceed to book your chosen room, select the Book Without Credit Card option if it's available. This option might prompt you to secure the booking with an alternative payment method or provide some additional details to finalize the reservation. Ensure you double check your booking details before confirming, as this helps avoid any future issues or misunderstandings. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of booking a hotel on Agoda without needing to use a credit card. Remember, options may vary based on region and availability, so always ensure to review the terms and conditions thoroughly. Enjoy your hassle-free booking experience and have a wonderful trip.